Before watching the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Previously we saw what is Agile and why do we choose Agile. Now we are going to know about how to implement Agile and what are main principles of Agile methodology. Let's understand with how to implement Agile. First, identify your business goals. Before jumping to a new project management methodology, it is crucial to identify and frame your business goals and describe how exactly the switch to Agile project management will help you better meet your goals. Second, analyze your company's culture if it is fit for purpose. One of the key elements for embarking on the Agile implementation path is to have the right soil, the right cultural organization which is not afraid of changes. This is where transparency and frequent communication can smooth this process. Third, analyze the potential impact on your customers. It is crucial to identify how an Agile implementation will benefit your clients and how this change will help your team meet your clients' requirements and needs better. Consider the following factors before Agile implementation. Will Agile improve customer experience? Will it produce better deliverables and higher quality? Will it help to build better collaboration between your customers and teams? Fourth, analyze all available resources your company possesses. Try to identify, does your company have the talent and skill sets to apply Agile in the best possible way? Do you have the right infrastructure to support new technology and vendors that can support Agile's smooth switch? To yield the Agile benefits, it is necessary to have the right people and technology in place. Fifth, engage the help of your company leaders from the start. Engage your company leaders and experts right from the start to help you determine the best possible way to deal with the upcoming changes without significant cracks in the Agile project implementation process. Sixth, launch a few small projects before the big rollout. When implementing Agile in your organization, don't rush to make any major changes on big projects right off. Instead, if possible, try to experiment with the new approach on a few small projects or different project parts. This will allow you to test the environment and assess the degree of resistance within your team. Next, let's know what are the principles of Agile methodology. 1. To satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery. The Agile principles take a step further and assert that the way to keep the customer happy is through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. In other words, the best way to keep the customer happy is to deliver valuable products to the customer frequently. 2. Changing requirements, customers' competitive advantage. Agile frameworks welcome change. Delivering value in smaller, usable increments makes this possible. Agile teams learn something from the customer after each delivery, and because it's a smaller increment of work, it's possible to introduce new requirements. 3. Deliver working software frequently. All Agile frameworks rely upon the principle of delivering working software frequently. Teams determine the frequency of value delivery by the length of the sprint. The purpose of each sprint is to deliver a done, usable increment of work at least once per sprint. 4. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Agile is different. Business stakeholders meet regularly with the Agile team at a lower level of engagement. 5. Build projects around motivated individuals. Leaders who work with Agile teams focus on ensuring that the teams have the support, tools, access, resources, and environment, culture, people, external processes they need, and then trust them to get the job done. 6. Conveying information through face-to-face conversation. The best way to convey information is to have a real-time conversation rather than a back and forth via email or messaging app. For Agile teams, this may mean that those who deliver the work speak directly to those using the work. 7. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Success isn't about the percentage of the work we have completed or how well we are sticking to a plan. In Agile, we measure success by the product that we have delivered, and whether it is in a usable state. 8. Maintain a sustainable working pace. Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. 9. Continuous excellence enhances agility. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. In a development context, this principle allows teams to create not just working software but also a stable product of high quality. 10. Simplicity is essential. Because Agile teams focus on smaller, more frequent deliveries, the attitude of the business stakeholders towards the work often changes. Instead of asking for every requirement they may need in the future, the Agile team can instead focus on the most valuable thing to do next. 11. Self-organizing teams. Once again, we realize that when provided with freedom, motivated teams generate the most value for the customer. 12. Feedback loop used to improve. On a regular basis, the team asks themselves how it's going and what changes should make. Then they make those changes and repeat the process regularly. A series of small improvements made over time is better than any single reorganization or process improvement project. Keep following for more upcoming interesting business analyst topics. If interested in business analyst professional training plus placement assistance, connect with us.